It's baking day! Are you ready to bake cookies, Junie? Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're gonna make cookies?
Cookie.
With Car. Are you gonna
No.
be here soon?
No.
Yeah.
All right, now we're good. So here's what we're gonna do. Leave them in there real quick. And oh,
Carsey.
Car, you can need to get yours in, dude. You wanna come over here and press? Yeah.
On the table.
Oh, there.
Yeah, you can climb up on the table, bud.
Yeah, climb up on the table, Holmes. Where's yours?
You gotta know me.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You want to build
I
this?
said I know.
Jump on the table, Carson. Don't die, though. Jump on the table.
All right, Car.
Get on the table.
Get on the table, Holmes.
Come
No,
on.
that's
Snowman?
usually a no-no. Come on. On the table.
Huh?
Crawl up there.
Crawl up there and press your snowman. Press it hard.
What is this?
Press it harder. Press it. Okay, hold on. We're a little off center. There we go.
What is it?
Alrighty, and
Wait,
now,
no.
Junie, do you want to press yours? I think it's a reindeer. You want to press yours, Junie?
That's true.
Do you want to get up there, Junie?
Yeah, I think it's a reindeer.
Hold on,
Press
Carson.
yours.
I think it's
Press it. Press it. Oh, we're gonna have Cheeto cookies. Oh, my.
Nice.
All right, good job, Junie.
You don't like Cheetos.
Good job, Junie.
Good job, Junie.
Okay.
She's very proud of herself.
So now, hold on one second.
Cheese.
Hold on. Now we're gonna peel them up.
Can I peel?
Well, hold on.
Okay, say cheese.
There we go. There's Dexy's.
Very close. Bye.
She is a chick.
On the table.
Oh, that would turn out pretty
On the table.
Okay.
On the table.
Okay.
Okay, we'll cut a little bit more, and then we gotta figure out Auntie's dough.
I know. I'm
Not
not sure what's going
Now I
on here.
want to
It's
start.
nice.
Okay.
Fail.
I need you to back up first.
You want to do a girl?
I like it.
Oh yeah. Why did it not come up? This is what I have.
That is way better, Taylor. Thank you. I don't know why I am so challenged in that area.
I would say this right.
Here, let me get a start to it first.
Start?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready,
Look
Carson?
at that.
Here, hold on. Let me line her up.
Yes.
Hold on.
Kai,
Carson.
do you want to cut one out?
Push it.
I'm
Hold on.
rolling right now.
What?
I know what the weed hot.
Really hot?
Really hot? Yeah. Has to be 375 degrees.
Man,
That's not long time.
Not a long time.
falling apart.
Who's that at the door?
At the door, that's the dog. We should probably leave them outside though, so they don't eat the cookies.
Oh, that would be terrible if you ate the cookies, huh, Dad?
Did you make some of these?
Wait, they can go up here?
I'm glad I only made
Yeah,
one
Lucy's
batch.
pretty big. She could reach up there, and then Izzy could jump on the seat.
Because it's too
This?
hard.
This one here?
Yep.
Did you set your timer?
It's not heated yet enough.
Oh,
You or on everybody else?
anybody else?
Okay, hold on. Let me flip it. So what's once I press this, there you go. Now you're recording. Don't touch anything until you're done, okay?
What? Car?
What do we want to do next?
Was that good, Junie?
Lexi?
I want to decorate cookies now.
Yeah, we're going to.
Yay, I'll sit here.
Carson's all about it.
Junie, don't grab that.
Stop. We're decorating them.
Did he eat
You
it?
can eat this part.
Okay, so what you do is you have to grab these like this.
Junie, no. We're going to decorate them.
Junie's eating. If you grab it like this and then tilt it down and squeeze a little bit. Can I see this, please, and
No,
thank
you
you?
can't color it.
Pick a different cookie, apparently.
Heavens!
This is so
you
much
push it-
stress.
Pull it down
Turn the video off.
Carson.
and then squeeze
Call it a day.
You got Carson.
We don't need what's going to happen on video.
What really happened. This is the true story.
Yeah, we don't want fake
The
news
true
here.
story of Christmas.
Fake news.
So, does everybody understand?
Yeah.
So make sure that when you're done with it too, tilt it back up and set it over here.
Okay, we good?
Is this red
Go for it.
or pink?
It's red.
Junie, let's put frosting on it.
Which one do you want, guys?
I want pink and green.
Okay, well, that's our two options.
Yes.
Here.
Please. I have
Very good.
Is that good, Junie?
Red.
Junie's just gonna eat it.
Yep. Is it good?
That's green, Pepper. I think.
Yeah, it's green.
Is it a Christmas tree? Or no? What is that? A snowman?
No, man.
It's a star.
All of the cookies kind of got a little wide.
No.
It happens at
We
Christmas.
decorated it.
No, that will.
Did you hear
Sure, you can eat it if you want.
No, what did she say?
say decorate?
Try not to make it too much of a mess.
That sounded so weird.
Lick it off your finger. Hold on, don't. Oh, good Lord, son. Take it away.
First fetch petal of her life.
What are you thinking, Junie?
Hold on, let me get it down there.
Pretty legit.
Family tradition. She'll be eating with her kids probably.
Like mine.
Oh, that's beautiful, Kai.
Junie, you're just eating a
I'm gonna
puddle.
use whatever.
She's in a trance.
Just like,
Sugar coma.
It looks like you're doing slow
just
motion.
like, I'm going to 5 steps. I'm done with my first cookie.
Do you want some? Go ahead, Dex. Do you need some green?
Where do I put it, Daddy? Oh, yeah. Mama, do you want to see my first cookie done?
I do. Let me see. That's beautiful. Good job.
Do we need to bake more, Dex?
Yeah.
You love doing this, don't you?
Pick another one.
Good job, Kai. That's
You
pretty.
can put some on there.
Which one? I'll do a candy cane.
June's still eating.
Different candy cane.
You savored it.
White. Yeah, I'm all done with the white.
Yeah, I'm all done with the white.
Okay.
Holy cow, Kai.
Oh, Kai.
You're spilling.
Gingerbread man in a fight.
Jack, Carson. What are you doing,
Oh,
bud?
Carson, no. No. He always like,
This looks great.
this is the stuff.
Or just put it down there when it comes out.
Okay. See your little.
Friday night. Oh, good.
What?
Check out those tickets for the Star Wars at 9 o'clock on Friday.
Because the frosting's so thin.
Good job. Did you make that?
Is this my water?
Good job.
I have any on the cup, but I don't.
Have a cup that says Taylor can.
For the rest of your life, you might forget this day.
Pink piece.
You need the pink?
Then I need green.
Okay. Do your pink first, and then you can have the green. Good idea.
Okay, there's some ornaments.
Ornaments.
Oh, perfect.
Now, the roast got before I left, so I don't have to cook dinner.
You're talking about.
Boys. I feel like they kind of liked it for some reason.
How about you guys? You want some of the gingerbread?
Sure, Lily really likes it.
Nice balls.
The rest of them I will bring.
Kate, are you video recording?
Yeah, do you want me to stop?
No, your brother just said something that was amazing.
Oh.
You got it on audio.
It's gonna be
We'll
a
have to
new
see.
ringtone for me. Boys.
Mama, come watch this. Come watch this.
What is it?
I'm gonna pick who's my favorite.
Okay.
Put it right in the middle.
Oh, there it is.
Not eating them now. We're gonna hold them.
Any day.
Yeah, that is my favorite.
I'm your favorite?
Mom,
What? What?
can I just have one more cookie?
One more and that's it.